people. How are you? Make sure you leave down in the comments how your day is going. Mine's doing great. You read from my title. I am unboxing the Love Aiki box. So let me tell you a little bit about this subscription. I really like the idea of this subscription. This is a Canadian subscription box, which is great for all my Canadians out there, because a lot of times you guys are like, oh, it's too much money with shipping and everything. So this is a skincare subscription box, which you guys know I love skincare. But the unique thing about this is you fill out a profile about your skin. So I have combination skin, but it's more combination like dry. So I have like an oily T-zone and then it's dry everywhere else. So this is supposed to be curated for my skin, not my skin tone, for my skin. What would it call? My skin, not my complexion. I don't know, my skin type. There we go, my skin type, which I really like. So this is $38.99. This is a bi-monthly subscription, but I do have a coupon code that will save you $5 off. I don't make anything out of it. It is just for you guys. So without further ado, let's see what's in that Love Aiki box. All right. In advance, I apologize for the noise. We have a basketball court, and a lot of times I have the neighborhood kids and stuff. They play in the basketball with the basketball court and everything, so it's a little loud. There's about 6 or 7 kids outside. I'm looking at them right now. So, all right, let's open her up. So that's what it looks like when you open her up. It does come with a card that tells you what everything is, which I definitely like that. And then we have a free roll-on blend with any purchase. So there's also on her website stuff that you can get as well. So this is the July box, and it just says, enjoy your conjac sponge for combination skin. So it just tells me what's on the box, and it also tells me what my coupon code is. All right. So the first thing I'm looking at, oh, and this is all natural. That's another thing I like about this box. It's all natural. So this is from Black. This is a whitening toothpaste. So it's like a charcoal toothpaste. And I haven't tried this brand before, the whitening toothpaste, but I have tried charcoal toothpaste. And they do work. Do they, are they like something that's going to make you really white teeth? Not really, but they do put a couple shades lighter. It really does. All right, how much is that? Let's see what it says about it. All right, so this would be $20. All right, so we got that. Then we have this, ooh, so we have this butter stick sunscreen. And I've said this in other videos. It doesn't really have a scent, which is good. It's all natural, so duh, it wouldn't have a scent in it. But back in 2015, I was diagnosed with stage 2, the early stages of 2 melanoma skin cancer. And all because I didn't wear sunscreen. I could have prevented that. And what some people may not know is you don't have to be my complexion to get it. You really don't. Bob Marley, which is the famous, oh my God, I love him so much, reggae singer, he died from melanoma cancer. I'll leave a picture right here. And it stemmed from on his foot, and it spread, went to his lungs and into his brain, and that's what he died from, brain cancer, because of melanoma. So guys, it does not matter what skin tone you are, please wear sunblock. So I am so happy that subscription boxes put these in the box, because back in the 90s when I was growing up, your parents told you, yeah, put sunscreen on, sunblock, so you didn't get sunburn, not so you prevent cancer, skin cancer. It wasn't, I'm not saying it wasn't known, but it wasn't talked about like it is now. You know what I mean? So I was very ignorant. I would use baby oil. I would go from the tanning bed to the beach and never wear sunblock. Are you kidding me? Never. So like I said, please, I wear sunblock. It can really save your life, and that's the truth. All right. The next thing we have is this Pina Colada Sugar Lip Polish. Oh, I didn't tell you how much that sunblock was. The sunblock is $16, and it is a butter stick. Okay, 80-minute water resistant and easy wide mouth sunscreen butter stick for no mist direct application. All right, so now we have this Pina Colada Sugar Lip Polish. Oh my God, that smells so good. It smells like just like Pina Colada. Like I was gonna be like, here, smell it. Oh my God, I love this so much. So this is by New Body, and this would be $13. Now these are a little bit more expensive because it is all natural stuff, organic. So it is a little bit more money. All right, so this is the konjac. This is a little open, but that's okay. This is from Be Kind. This right here is the sponge, which is great. We'll get all that dead skin cells off. So I do like these. This is $10 right there. And last but not least is this Petal and Leaf. What you be? What you be? Exhale Relaxation Blend. So this would be $14. And what it is, Exhale, the blend of essential oils. Okay, it's an essential oil to help relax the body and mind. I definitely need a big whiff of that right now. Oh, so it's like a, you know, a thingy-majiggy. Oh, I need that for them kids outside. All right, so let's recap everything that is in the subscription box. So you have this essential oil, which I love essential oils. We have this charcoal toothpaste, which I am not mad at. We have this sunscreen butter stick, which I love the fact it's in here. We have, what else we have? A konjac sponge, okay. And then we have the Pina Colada lip scrub, which I think I'm most excited for. That smells amazing. So yeah, so that's everything that is in our Love Aiki box. Let me know what you think of it. Do you think that it's worth it? Do you not? Do you like the fact that there's all natural skincare? Let me know all the tea in the comments down below. That was short and sweet. Please like this video or dislike it, but make sure you rate the video because it does help me out. Make sure that you subscribe and make sure you put that post notification bell on so you'll be notified all of my future videos and my giveaways. All right, guys, I love you guys so much. And as always, I leave videos right here if you want to see more of me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.